Communicate course updates, share new information, and post reminders for learners by creating announcements. This tutorial shows how to create an announcement. To create an announcement, click the Announcements context menu and select New Announcement. Enter a headline and content for your announcement. Next, navigate to Availability. By default, the start date and time follow an announcement's headline. Hide this information by clearing the Always Show Start Date checkbox. You can change the announcement's start and end dates. The start date determines when the announcement will be published to announcements. By default, the start date is set to publish the item immediately. By selecting a future start date, the announcement will not be published until then. You can remove an announcement on the specified end date by selecting the Remove Announcement Based on End Date checkbox. You can still see the announcement after its end date, but it will not appear in Announcements. You can also attach media to your announcements by adding a file or recording audio. You can also add release conditions to further customize how the announcement is released to learners. If you would like to save your announcement without publishing it, click Save as Draft. When you are done editing the announcement, click Publish to add it to your course. Communicate course updates, share new information, and post reminders for learners by creating announcements.